What's this?
It's a fish.
Good job, Elizabeth.
Good girl. What's this?
Baby.
Who's the baby holding?
Shoes?
It's a bear.
She's got shoes,
Oh,
yeah.
shoes, yeah.
Shoes?
It's more exciting than the little bear.
Now make it back. They're big. And it.
What's this?
A party? A party?
Good girl. Who's that?
Big.
It's a bear.
A bear.
It's a bear on a potty.
Such a good girl.
Big bear fight.
High five.
Good job. Give me 5. Yeah.
Fish.
Book high five.
Give the book a high 5. Good job.
A fish.
Be gentle, though. Don't want to hit the bear. Will you pet the bear? Kind of.